Number 37. Which statement explains why bacteria are used in genetic engineering? So genetic engineering means taking a gene from one species and transferring it to another species. And bacteria are often used because they have what is called plasmids. So plasmids act as vectors. Vectors are the things that transports or transfer genes from one place to another. And since bacteria have plasmids that act as vectors, we can safely and efficiently transfer genes from one species to another. So D is the right answer. A is not the right answer. If it can only manufacture simple molecules, it's no good use. B is not the right answer because it causes ethical concerns and it's a bad thing. Okay, and C is not the answer as well because they have very fast reproduction rate. They go through the process of binary fission. Binary fission means one bacteria becomes two bacteria, or one bacterium becomes two bacteria by simply dividing itself. Okay, that's the binary fission. All right, so the answer is D for this one.